steal the money out of that? Think we'll get far? We split it. Come on, 50-50.
Nah, I'm not. I do not live. Listen, a funny joke. You remember PlayStation 2, right?
Yeah.
My mom had bought me Dukes of Hazzard.
Oh, Lord.
Now, mind you, I'm a good girl. So, you know, Dukes of Hazzard, you gotta run away from the cops.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, again. My mom's behind me watching me play. And she said, come on, Felina, run from the cops, run from the cops. I'm like, I want to get.
You should play Grand Theft Auto in front of her and get the 5 stars from the cops.
Oh, no. She was turning around. She said, well, I don't have to worry about you getting ever arrested. She said, you can't even run. And it's a cat. She's like, Felina, you understand? You're not going to go to jail. I don't want to try. You're going to jail for lying? Yeah. She's like, child, you do realize it's a game that's a purpose. Why would you give me something that's breaking the law?
Gotta love them. Good times.
Oh my, that's great like you. Yeah. I literally, those cops came out and I threw the couch. Like, I got it. Oh my God.
Gotta love it.
Yeah. I was traumatized. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, you gotta play some GTA.
Come on.
The original one.
Nah.
Oh yeah, that'd be fun. That one's more gory than.
Nah.
But it was comical.
I was just done. She was done with me. She was looking like Selena. She said, what can you do? And I'm looking like such a person who don't like gays. You give me the
neither.
one thing. Then I kind of rough. And then wait, when I was like 7, that's the last one all the way down.
Yeah.
So I'm 7 years old. We're going. My auntie had a friend whose child. It was her birthday. She lived on the west side of Chicago. And I'm automatically looking because I'm on the south side of a good neighborhood, and I'm looking like, wait a minute, grass is a privilege? They don't have no grass. And she said, yes, the grass is a privilege. So anyway, we get to the place, and she's looking like, hey, go play with the kids. And now, mind you, they have a lot of kids. So there was like 5, 3, 2, 1 in a diaper. And I walk up, they playing Grand Theft Auto. And I'm looking like, my mom had already warned me about how bad that game is. So I walk up behind them, they playing. Next thing you know, the 5-year-old, the baby, and the 2-year-old, shoot that hoe! Shoot that hoe!
Oh wow.
I'm sitting there looking like as a 7-year-old doing this.
My kids are not allowed to play those.
And I walked back to my mom. My mom looked like, why are you not playing with the kids? They're playing Grand Theft Auto, and as I quote, they said, shoot that hoe! She said, okay, come on. You're not.
Gotta love it.
Oh my God.
Yep.
Yeah, but think about what's going on with today. They hot cars.
Mm-hmm.
Listen, one time I turned on my Instagram, the Kia boys was following me. I'm looking like, yep, I'm blocking y'all.
Yep. All right, trunk's open, dear. It's open.
All right, thank you.
Yep.